Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to my another new videos. Hopes you all are doing well. In this video I will try to fix this Fujitsu laptop, and this laptop problem is suddenly shut down by itself. Main problem is this laptop shut down when Windows loading at start. So I already turned on this laptop and I'm waiting to see what is the actual problem.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Alright, as you can see, this laptop shut down by itself. So after check the motherboard, we have found problem with this graphic chip. It's too much overheat, so I decided to convert this motherboard discrete to UMA. So we have taken out this coil and MOSFET, which is voltage supply for this graphic chip. Then we have taken out this graphic chip. Alright, we have converted this motherboard discrete to UMA. Now it's time to check problem solved or not. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So
As you can see, it's running already 9 minutes, and we check this laptop all the day, it's running without any issues.